Hey everyone, welcome back to another Fortnite Save the World video. Today, we will talk about Tar Pit Trap. One of the simplest traps in the game, but still, a lot of people use it wrong. Like in front of the tunnels, on ramps, and etc. This may surprise some of you, but we only use this trap for two situations 99% of the times. 1. Combined with wall launchers. To recycle the husk with recycle builds, and to slow the husk while the rest of the traps eliminate them with damage builds. 2. To stop smashers and mini boss charges. But to understand this, first, let's see how it works. Simple, when a husk, smasher, or mini boss walk on it, they get stuck into it for a moment as you can see from the name, Tar Pit, then they will be able to move again. And the trap will deal like a burn damage to them. But how is that useful? Here's how we use it. Let's take this tunnel for example. It's a recycle one. We use tar pits in front of the wall launchers. So, the husk will get stuck into them till the wall launchers push them down. Helps to stop a lot of husk, so the wall launcher can push them out at one time. Plus it delays the husk till the wall launchers reload again. And we use this combo in damage builds as well, like you see in this tunnel. Both traps, wall launchers and tar pits will keep delaying the husk till the rest of the damage traps eliminate them. And you might ask, why we don't use it as a damage traps? Like look at this. Its damage number looks good. The perk's versatility is good too. You can use 5 damage perks, double critical rating and crit damage, double damage and reload. So, why we don't use it as a damage trap? Well, watch this. Only 34 durability. But wait, that's not bad. Other traps have 34 durability too and we use them as damage traps. Like this, and this. Here's the thing. You remember when I said it can stop multiple husk at the same time, and they will get stuck for a bit then move again? Well, every time a husk walks on it, it will consume 1 durability. Imagine using this as a damage trap at the entrance of your tunnel. It will run out of durability so fast before you can even realize it. Note that the numbers you see on the schematic when you are in a mission will be higher than when you check them in the lobby. It's because of your status. I will explain this point in a different video. Back to our point. Yes, it may look good as a damage trap. A trap that can slow and delay husk, smashers, mini-bosses, and deal damage to them at the same time. But as I just explained, it won't last for a minute. So, for that, we need as much durability as possible. That's why most of us use full durability perks on it. As you see, I have 119 uses on my tar pits, which is very good. And I can get more with max durability ratio. Another perks combo you can use is durability with 1 or 2 reload perks. Which is good too. In general, I use full durability. Works very good in every situation. Maybe in few situations adding 1 or 2 reload perks may be better. Like if you use it mainly in front of the object you are defending, since you don't need a high durability tar pit here. You are using it only to stop any smashers reach the object. After a lot of testing, full durability works very well for all the situations. As we all know now, with tar pits, durability is the best. At least for me, of course you can use any perks that suits you. And this leads us to the next point, where we use this trap. To get the best benefit of it without losing all its durability very fast. Let's start with the simplest ones. In front of the object you are defending. This shelter for example. We can add tar pits in front of it like this to stop any smashers charges till we deal with them. For recycle builds like this one. We use tar pits in front of wall launchers like I explained before. But adding tar pits in front of all the wall launchers might not be the best situation. Check here, I added few floor spikes traps in the combo. Like that, 3 of the wall launchers will get used a lot at the same time, which is good by the way. Because if we added full tar pits, the first one will stop most of the husk, which will burn its durability very fast. Same thing with the wall launcher in front of it. Then the same will happen to the rest. Which means, by the late wave and endurance for example, instead of 5 trap tiles here, you will have only like 2. Which is not the best. This doesn't apply 100% for everything, I'm just giving you examples so you can learn how it works and pick your own design with this trap. Another example here. I add tar pits at the end of the tunnel to stop any smasher charges. And here in front of the wall launchers. But I added floor spikes trap at the entrance. Another example here. Here I combined the tar pits and wall launchers combo with damage boxes. When I stop the husk and push them inside these boxes to deal a lot of damage to them. Here I don't have any wall launchers, but I still use tar pits to avoid any smashers charges inside my build. And the examples goes on. This trap is very good for crowd control. But don't just use it randomly or in open areas. This should explain everything. I tried to simplify everything as much as possible. I don't like to go in depth with all these numbers and percentages. I play and enjoy games in the simplest way. And that's it for this video. If this video helped, don't forget to use code Larsis in the item shop if you want to support me, helps me a lot. Big thanks for all the channel members, super thanks comments, and everyone uses my creator code, really appreciate you support. Like, subscribe if you are enjoying the content, helps the video to reach more people. If you want to learn more about the rest of the traps in the game, check the playlist in the description. Hear the rest of the gameplay clip for Pit Amplifier. I combined the same combo as before but with some extra traps. Wall launchers, tar pits, floor spikes, floor launcher, and freeze trap. Which makes this build a very good recycle build. Yes, wall launchers plus tar pits only will work here very well. But it's not the best for durability as I explained before. And Pit Amplifier one of the best if not the best amplifiers to use recycle build for. Its location is very bad since it's placed in a very low area plus the tornado makes it not easy to build with damage builds. Since the tornado removes all the traps, but not anymore. Apparently, after years, tornado removing floor and roof traps turned out to be a bug. Yup, you heard me right, a bug. I don't know if I should be happy or sad. Happy because it will make it so much easier to build endurance. Since I can build anywhere as I want, tornado won't destroy the traps anymore. But at the same time, I spent a lot of time building around the tornado locations for years. And this took a lot of time and testing more than you can imagine. Anyway, let's wait for the next update and see how it goes. Hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, see you in the next one.